afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 53. And the instruction here says shows the word or group of words that best complete each of the following sentences. To question number 53, the sentence here says, I told him not to play dash fire. So in this is a simple sentence. This is a simple sentence. And in every simple sentence we always have what we call one clause. So we don't have to debate on this. It's a straight question. So option A say on, B say with, C say beneath, D say upon. You cannot say I told him not to play upon fire. It's not grammatically correct. You cannot say I told you not to play beneath fire. When you talk of beneath, it means under. Then you cannot say I told him not to play on fire, because when you say on fire, on is a prepositional word that shows position. But I told him not to play with fire. That is, with is showing a kind of connection. So not to have any connection with fire. So I told him not to play with fire. So option B is correct, so that you don't have any connection with fire. Thank you and God bless you. And share and subscribe for more of our videos.